the government was looking to negate some of the criticism over its inertia in tackling the impending economic slowdown, it seems to have managed this, with the investors celebrating the move and the Sensex clocking its biggest single-day gain in over a decade.
The minute the Finance Minister announced the huge tax cuts for corporates, the Sensex shot up and kept rising till it closed 1921 points up, the highest in a decade. The Nifty closed at 11,274.20, up 569 points. Some stocks like Aisha hit a 20-year high.
The way the announcement has been made, it seems it has been a macro thought, and from now on, markets will have one very good support line.
A historic day for the markets, a mini budget and an early Diwali for Dalal Street, say experts and India Inc. alike. All sectoral indices besides IT closed in the green. The Nifty Auto shut shop higher by 9.9% and the Nifty Bank ended higher by 8%. In terms of stock-specific action, HDFC Bank, RIL and ICICI Bank contributed most to the rally. However, remember, almost 7 lakh crores of wealth has been created in absolute terms today, the highest in a single day on the Bombay Stock Exchange.
Investors are counting on the tax savings for corporates, leading to more money in the market and hopefully more dividend to investors. 89-year-old Pratap Shah has been a BSE broker since 1986. He has seen many highs and lows in the market. He says today's move was a clever step to address the poor market sentiment and gives credit to the Prime Minister.
Narendra Modi and team is very clever and very fast. Anybody, the minister had not taken action immediately. This lady had taken immediately action. Because the fault is it is not in only India, it is all over world. And it is difficult to cover.
The Finance Minister expects jobs, investment and growth to follow. Market analysts are gushing, given that this brings India at par with global economies like the United States when it comes to corporate tax and, more importantly, the region.
Phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
Mind-blowing, you can say. But the response was very, very guarded because it was unbelievable. Our at least corporate tax structure is aligned globally, but those who begin afresh, who come and put up industries afresh, enterprises afresh, are now eligible for a still concessional rate of interest of 15%.
They also add this will help areas like the auto sector and arrest the slowdown, adding impetus to the economy. While markets have responded in a celebratory manner over the government's move to bring corporate tax down, analysts are still guarded and are waiting to see the full impact of the move amidst fears of an impending economic slowdown. With Sakshi Bajaj in New Delhi, in Mumbai with camera person Praveen Ji Rohit, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.